making bank from the market, making so much profits from the markets. If you've been watching our trading videos from the beginning, we started with about $10,000 on the account, and yeah, we've made some profits. Remember to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. It's quite chilly. If you want free signals for 3 months, message me trial Telegram. On Telegram, the link is in the description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account, and then you'll be able to join and post the signals for 3 months. We try to put daily signals every day. We give follow-up also, and you get the account and risk management also. Now, I also have the copy trade, which starts with about $250. No, you need at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to join the copy trade. Just message me copy on Telegram, link in description below also. What does that entail? You take 80% of the profit, I take 20% of the profit. The profit is split every month. And yeah, what is my exit strategy for the copy trade? It's risk free. How is it risk free? It's risk free because I'll be hedging on the account. Okay, that's why you need at least $350 to $500 to be able to hedge on your own account. You should get a shoe like this. I like this. This is one of my nice shoes. It's Balmain. Anyways, yeah. So if I take a trade on my account, for example, if I have 10,000 and you have 1,000, it takes 0.1 lot. Everything is done automatically. However, for me to be able to use my secret strategy, what has been able me to be able to compound fast, what is actually helping me to grow my account fast, which is hedging, you need to be able to have at least $350 to $500 in your account minimum. Okay, if you want more details on that, message me copy on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. I know we'll get to it by the end of this year. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. When you have the notification bells, click all notifications on so you don't miss the shorts, live streams, videos that we're uploading and stuff like that. And also, if you have questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. And yeah, we'll see what trade we have for today, and we'll see how the market goes. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. And if you want to buy the course to learn how I do what I do, that means I'll be live with you one-on-one. I'll be sharing my screen on Zoom, or you can meet me in person, and we'll be taking live trades together, scalping, swing trading, hedging. And you also get the software that tells me everything. What does the software do? You get it free with course. It tells me the market trend for buy, for sell, tells me when to buy and sell for system A, scalping system, because I have 2 scalping systems, one for large profits, one for small profits. When we started the account, we had the hedge first. It's in the playlist. Then we had some system A, small profit trades. Then we started having system B trades. We just adapt to how the market is. We're not trying to beat the market. We're trying to make profit from what the market is doing. So I'll be sharing my screen on Zoom, showing you all this live while you learn, and you'll see it's being done live also. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see what the market has for us today.
Hey guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and we're back again. Let me just go on the 1 hour time frame. Let me change it to the 5 minutes time frame because I want to take a scalp. I saw a system B sell. All right, so we're on the 5 minutes. Let me increase my lot size, and yes, so let me set my take profits. Zoom out a bit. Set my take profits. All right, there we go. For about 77 pips. I'm expecting about $1,500 profit on this. And when we make some profits, I'm gonna make a withdrawal, guys. After this, we started the account with a hedge, okay, which is my exit strategy. We started the account with $10,000. We made some small system A trades, which I teach to my students also live on hedgingmastermind.com and share my screen. And yeah, we started making system B trades. I also teach that in the course, also live. I share my screen on Zoom. And we started making some good system B trades. We had one that was $1,000. And so far, we've made a good profit. I had one trade I was holding. It went back into break even, but the swaps chopped most of the profit out. So yeah, still no loss, just swaps. And we're going to make that profit back in this trade. If we don't make it in this trade, then I'll just simply hedge it. Hedging is a system that allows me to not take any losses in the market. When I'm making a loss, I simply just hedge out the trade. It's what the hedge funds use. The hedge funds are trading billions, is what the banks use. If you want to try my signals for free for 3 months to 1 year, message me trial on Telegram, link description below, and also join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get it to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the 2024 year. I know we'll get there, but be part of it. Also, the free trial may be closing soon. So if you've not joined, for the free signals, there will be free signals, free analysis every single day. I do the free signal analysis once a week on YouTube, where I live stream it either on Monday or Tuesday, New York session. But in the signal group, it is done every single day. Every single day. For now, you can get 3 months to 1 year for free by simply messaging me trial on Telegram, link in description below. But it might be closing soon. Maybe after 1 month, I might close the free trial and then you just have to buy it from the website. So join now. Also, the profits I'm going to withdraw from this, I'm going to give it out. Okay, so if I withdraw 3,000, I'll give out $500. I'll if you have an account, I'll deposit $500 into your account to make more money. So yeah, message me also. Join the free VIP signal groups either by joining with the trial, that means free signals for 3 months to 12 months, or you can buy the signals on the website hedgingmastermind.com. Either ways, it doesn't matter how you join. The first 50 people to join after this video, I'm going to select 5 to 6 people out of those people and deposit $500 into your account. So like I said, the free trial may be closing soon. Make sure you take advantage of that. Join now, join soon. It's free for 3 months to 12 months. We'll be dropping signal analysis every single day, okay, Mondays to Fridays. And yeah, it might be closing soon. Join now. For the first 50 people that join, I'm going to select 5 to 6 people, and I'm going to add $500 into your account for you to trade. Okay, so that's something extra I'm doing. This small account is not really my main account. It's something that I trade. Okay, it's not my main account, it's just something that I used to trade to make videos for you guys. When I have actual time, I'll actually be scalping a bigger account so that you see the kind of profits you can have once your account is big. I'm just scalping a small account now, so you see how you can grow this account. Like I said, join the signal group, the VIP signal group, either by free trial or by buying the signals on the website. And the next 50 people to join the VIP group, I'll be depositing $500 to $600 in your account. Okay, I'll select them at random. That being said, we'll be right back once we have more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe, and make a comment below. I'll always try to reply to every single comment. All right, guys, we're back. I'm not on my trading screen. I'm on my phone. I had to record this. I wasn't home. I had to hedge out this trade. So I'm hedging it out because I was in a $1,000 loss. I'm hedging that $1,000 loss out. And we'll jump into another trade. Don't worry about that. So this video is just going to be looping. As you can see, I've closed my trade in profit, the profit first. Then I'm going to close the loss. Okay. See, the loss is closed, the trade is hedged out, we even came out with some profit. So if the market goes against you, because you can never control where the market is going, you can only do what the market is doing. I'm not going to try to now start selling and selling, because that's how people blow their accounts, right? So what I did was I just hedged it out. This is what I teach. This is my secret weapon. This is the main thing that has allowed me to compound my account fast. Because if I take 5 trades as a hedger, right, and I lose 4 out of those trades and I win 1, and that one win is $100, I will make $100 at the end of the day. But if somebody who is using stop loss takes 4 losses, even if their loss is $25 per loss or $50 per loss, right? Now they are down 200. They made 100, which was their one win, but they'll still be in $100 loss. That's the difference with someone who is hedging and someone who is using stop loss. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use any of those nonsense indicators. I simply look at what price is doing. My software tells me when to buy, when to sell, tells me the market direction, both bearish, bullish, tells me where to hedge, when to hedge. This is what I teach in the course. Like I said, free trial might be closing soon. If you want to get free signals and analysis daily from Monday to Friday for 3 months to 1 year, send me trial on the Telegram link in the description below. DM me trial and make sure to join the free Telegram group. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always try to reply. In fact, I always reply to every single comment. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trade. Hopefully this time we'll be going into profits. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. And when you click the notification bells, click all notifications to stay subscribed for short or YouTube videos. And we'll be right back soon.